Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today I'm going to educate you or can say about the project called how to create or develop or generate the screen pet with the help of Python. So once you execute the project, you will get like this. So there will be three categories there. So we can know the user or we are the user. Press it. The reaction of the animal will be changed here. Okay, so for this one, what we will do, we are going to add the animations with functions only. So here, first of all, you have get idea about screen pet with Python. So if you want to do screen pet with Python, what you can do, we have to the screen pet will be sitting there. There will be a animal diagram just now shown here, animal icon. So here, small smile. So generally, once you execute the program, it will come with so like this small smiley face only. Then only you can press and change the actions here. So whenever the where the user change on screen double click or something, it will the change the reaction of the face will be changed here. That means sticky face, one category called happy face by default. That means you can just click it, and cheeky face, once you double click it, what happen, it will show the tongue like that, and at last sad face. If you not do anything, not clicking anywhere, it's just not shown here. So it will go show the tongue by come to the sad face like. So now how to generate the program. So if you want to generate a program, nothing very simple only. So we can import the packages. So from tk enter, import hidden normal comma tk canvas I'm writing. Then I'm going to give the movement for eyes. So I'm going to call the function called toggle underscore eyes. Then I'm going to current color is eye left comma fill. Then I'm going to follow the coding new underscore color c dot body color. If current color is called white, else white like that. And I'm continue the code here. Current underscore state c dot item get c get of purple underscore left state. So just now I'm showing. So generate this animal structure, animal animation, and clicking it will change everything. So user, we are user can change do that one. For that reason I'm writing the code here. Then I'm writing the new underscore state current state is equal to c dot item c get of purple underscore left comma state. Then I'm writing new underscore state is equal to normal if current underscore state is equal to hidden, else hidden like that. So and follow the coding c dot item configure of people underscore left comma state is called new state followed by right, left, and right. So as of that all directions are very important here. And I'm going to call the function called blink. So here the once where the user click it, the blink see by default is blinking. Just not told you you are not doing anything, show the tongue. Either you can click or double click it based on the happy face or understandable happy face, cheeky face, or sad face. So I'm going to write the toggle underscore right and root dot after 250 comma toggle eyes, that means some blinking. Then root dot after of 3000 comma blink. So after some intervals, time intervals, it will blink immediately. That gum space is there, so continuous not there, so little bit space is there. So it's blinking, so you can observe here. So blink after a few seconds, it will blink. See some time intervals. Then I'm going to call a function called a toggle underscore peoples, and if not c dot I is crossed, then I can write c dot move purple underscore people underscore lift comma 10 comma minus 5 followed by right direction minus 10 comma minus 5 and c dot I is crossed is equal true. Else if not, what will happen, if you are not doing anything, I just know it go to the side effect. So we can write the follow the condition here. Else c dot move people underscore left minus 10 comma 5 followed by and so on. Then I'm going to come the important one, that is called tongue function. So I'm going to call the function called define the function called toggle underscore tongue. If not c dot tongue underscore out, then c dot item configure of tongue underscore tip comma state is called normal and followed by tongue underscore main state comma normal and c dot tongue out is called true condition. Else the condition fail, it go to hidden stage, again hidden stage. See in the diagram now, I think tongue is not visible, okay, because we are not showing. So if at all you're not clicking, it go to the normal mode, it hidden mode. Then I'm going to call the cheeky for call the function called the cheeky, define the function cheeky of even. Then I'm going to write toggle underscore tongue toggle underscore peoples followed by hide underscore happy of even. Then root dot after 1000, that is the time interval, toggle tag, and the root dot after 1000 toggle dot peoples return. So this is the one. And now is the important one, that is show happy. That means I just told you, once you click it only it will change it. So double click, say smiling face, single click one reaction, if not another reaction, side face like that. So for write happy event, I'm writing the coding like if 20 less than equal to grade, and so on and so I'm writing some interval I'm writing, then I'm writing cheek underscore left up state comma normal, state equal normal, followed by cheek underscore right, and followed by mouth underscore happy, and followed by mouth underscore normal state equal hidden. At last I'm writing the c dot happy underscore level up 10 return. This time interval writing and hide. So this is the one once we are the user not clicking. So I'm raising it's a program or the project. When you write the code based on the user, you are the user, you will see the command click somewhere only it will give the result, otherwise not show the template blinking only reaction. So at last sad condition. So sad condition writing if c dot happy underscore levels double is equal to 0, mouth underscore happy state is equal to hidden and followed by normal, else condition is equal to my own writing, and root is equal to tk writing followed by colors I'm giving dark blue, highlight thickness 0 if you want to can change, and c dot body color I'm giving sky blue. Then I'm going to set the parameters to draw this animal. So this is the animal, so creating the air and so on and so on. I'm writing the things like air left, air right, foot left, foot right, and eye left, eye purple left, eye right, purple left were followed by this one. Okay, create oval structure outline block fill. I hope that you have idea about canvas and tk enter, but you can easily understand. Then I'm going to write the design for mouth. I'm giving mouth underscore normal, then c dot create line of giving this. Yeah, then mouth also I'm giving, tongue I'm giving, and cheek left giving, cheek right giving. At last I'm going to complete with the c dot pack and c dot bind up motion show happy, another one another for leave hide happy and cheeky. So just now three kind of reactions we can observe or watch once you execute the project here. And I'm going to give the interval of c dot happy underscore level of 10 and c dot ice for cast equal to false. Why I'm taking is at last if a not movement it go to the sad phase. So just now at last I'm complete the code with root dot after of 1000 comma blink, that's time interval period, and root dot after of the 5000 comma sad some interval. At last I'm complete the code with root dot main. So this is the snippet program where the user where you can generate the project with the help of tk enter only. So we are going to define the toggle function, then we are going to the blink function and toggle bubbles, and followed by toggle define the toggle tongue and the cheeky, and another thing can show happy, hide happy, sad, at last and generate the root tk and so on, and define all the attributes and parameters. At last once execute the program it show the output like this. So this is the one I'm going to now double click. So double click smiling face, single click face, and not doing anything, go to the normal state, just I'm leaving. So this is the way how we can successfully generate green pet with animal reactions, sad face, happy face, or again repeating single double click and leave it. I hope that you understand. If you like the video please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.